guys, your boy Brother Smooth back again to another reaction video, man. Thanks to Rio, I have stumbled across something called Mongolia's Got Talent. And we're here, man, and we're live, man. And I don't know how to... Damn! What the... This is a long title, but I know it's 116. It's a dance crew. And my friend Rio, you guys know Rio Temujin, he's my boy. He told me to react to this video because he says it's too... Roll the intro. Back in real life, man. You know what time it is, guys. So without wasting your time, guys, let's jump straight to it, man. I don't know what to expect, but I trust Rio with his judgments. Let's go. Mongolia's Got Talent. Haha, they're all dressed in white, like angels. It's the girl in the blindfold, I think. Wow. Wow, that's amazing. Is this girls only? Oh, there's one guy there. Woo! Look at that. Damn! Hey! They dropped it. What? This is so cool, man. This is so cool. Woo. Hey! 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 What? Hey! Look at that! Look at that! Look at that sync, man! They are flowing together. This is so cool, man. This is so cool. Wow, man.
Хэрвээ та эдгээр болон бусад авиасны бичлэгийг үзэх эсвэл авиаслаг монголч шоуны YouTube суух.
Shut up, Judge. Oh shit! That is the coolest video I've seen of people dancing in a long time. What? I'm speechless, like, really? Damn, man. 116, guys. I'm done, guys. I'm done, man. I'll leave the link down below, man. Make sure you guys go watch that video. What the fuck, bro? Gang, bro. We out, man. Rosie, Smooth, representing gang, gang, gang. You know what time it is, man. Down!